Alright, so what are you doing right now?
Right now, I'm clearing away the ivy in this spot so we can build a raft for all the ivy on that tree. And how we build a raft is we use branches and sticks like this and we lay them all together so none of the ivy that we put on top is touching the ground. Bad for the ivy to touch the ground, Alana. It'll re-sprout and then we'll have a problem again. So what I did first is I cleared this area of ivy and now I'm laying down these sticks.
What are you making right now?
I'm making a raft for the ivy because we don't want it touching the ground, because then it'll re-sprout.
And you want it how far away from the ivy and the trees?
So when you're doing a tree ring, you want 10 feet away from the tree. So you want to do your raft about like 15. And any old sticks will do. Just what I find to be the best is to do crisscross patterns. So lay them all down one way and then lay them all down the next way. Probably should have got the sticks ready before I did that.
So it's easier if you gather all the sticks beforehand and then you crisscross it. Oh, be careful.
Yeah. Because you're gonna need a couple to do a solid raft that no ivy's touching the ground. We'll make it work, you know. You know what? I think this was a raft. Probably. This is a good example of a bad raft. As you can see, there are a lot of twigs underneath this pile of ivy, but the pile of ivy is alive. That's not what we want.
It's way too close to the tree.
It is so close to the tree.
Hence why it grew back.
Yes.
This is a bad example of the survival ring for ivy and doing a raft, right?
Yep.
Because the ring wasn't done properly that the ivy grew back, and then the raft wasn't done properly that the ivy also grew back.
We'd
That's
like
accurate.
to point out that this was not done by the Washington Conservation Corps.
Disclaimer. We did not mess up.
It wasn't us.
Yeah, this is definitely a raft.
Well,
Okay.
Are there more?
And let's go.
Alright, so this is a completed raft. As you can see, there's very little space for the ivy to fall down to the ground below. And so now what we're gonna do, since it's anchored down, we're gonna start piling balls of ivy on top.
you want to roll up the ivy. You want to show that?
So you're gonna roll it up like this and then pile it from top bottom, right?
Yes,
From
top
to
bottom,
bottom.
especially on a slope, which we are on.
And you don't want to throw ivy on it like what Bee's doing, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that was a ball.
Unless it's tightly wrapped up.
Okay.
But generally, yeah, you want to make sure that you're getting the raft. When you're throwing it loosey-goosey, it might not hit the raft.
Are you talking to me?
No. You want to roll them up really, really tight.
Okay.
Nice little balls, because then it's less likely to re-sprout.
All right. There's more ivy here. So you basically want to clear this area of ivy and then stack it all up in the raft.
Right, yeah, so we're trying to clear 10 feet around this tree.
Oh no, the sun came out.
And trying to take as many precautions as possible to ensure that it does not grow back up the tree.
Okay. Are there other types of ivy removal as well, other than manual removal?
Some people spray ivy.
Uh-huh.
We have before, when there's big blankets of ivy, you can cut back the ivy into squares
Uh-huh.
using, what would you call it? It's not a chainsaw, it's a...
Trimmer?
Yeah, using a hedge trimmer. You cut the ivy into squares, and then you roll it down a hill or across the plain or wherever your ivy is into one big ivy sheet. Then you cut it again. You just pick up the ivy sheet, usually with teammates, friends, neighbors, whoever you can get to come, and carry it away.
Okay.
Place it on a raft or take it to
The dump.
Or the pit.
The pit. Bee's house.
But you usually want to get all the roots out if possible. That way it's less likely to grow back.
Okay. Sounds good. So now there's more of a pile in this raft.
Yes.
And then we're gonna pile it all the way down to the anchor, right?
That's the goal.
Okay.
One technique that you can use to transport large amounts of ivy is called a fire line. So how this would work is that I can hand this to Delaney. Delaney can hand it to Alana.
There you go, Alana.
Now, none of us have to move.
Puts it on the
So much
raft.
less effort.
So smart.
So smart.
There's smart, and then there's WCC smart.
Oh, WCC smart.
Everyone strives to be WCC smart.
That's true. I've heard that.
Alright.
All right. The only problem I'm running into now is that this is not big enough. What I'm thinking is maybe I can build it up more here.
Build a raft more up here?
Yeah, build it more in this like little divot that I missed, and then pile it on top of this log.
Oh, okay, so make this log part of the raft as
Yeah.
well.
That might help with stability too. See, do you see any good sticks?
Got a lot of sticks.
So this is the previous failed raft, right?
Yes, correct.
I mean,
And
if you see underneath it, there are a bunch of sticks that are piled up like a beaver dam.
yeah,
And there's ivy on it, but the ivy wasn't dead and ivy was touching the ground.
right, yeah. So the problem with this raft is that there's a lot of holes in the twigs, as you can see.
Oh, okay.
So the ivy can reach down and reroot underneath the raft. That's not what we want.